how to pin post in Facebook page or group. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Facebook account. Now your home page appears. Now go to the menu option. Now over here you can find different options. Tap on the option pages. Now tap on this option switch now. Now you have switched to your Facebook page. Now scroll down. You can find the post that you have shared in your Facebook page. Now to pin the post, you have to tap on this three dots given at the top right corner of the post. Over here you can find this option of pin post. Tap on it and it is done. In this way you can easily pin post in your Facebook page. Likewise for the group, tap on this menu icon again. Tap on this option groups. Tap on your groups and then go to your group. Open it, scroll down. Now here you can find the post that you have shared in your group. Now tap on the three dots of the post again. Go to this option, pin to featured, and it is done. In this way you can easily pin post in your Facebook page and group. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.